Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to create mud mixer in Greenhelp. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to be able to discover mud first. So what you would need to look for is a riverbed, and then if you click on expand, you can go ahead and take mud. Now this will go ahead and unlock a few things in your notebook right here, where we can go ahead and find a mud mixer. So what we need is 4 sticks and 8 logs. So if we go ahead and place our mud mixer right here, let's say right here, and then we can go ahead and insert our sticks. And then we need to grab our logs right here. And there you go. And that's how we would have created our mud mixer. So it consists of 4 sticks and 8 logs. Well, I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.